Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker. And today we are going to be wrapping up the month of September for the year of the make-alongs. So unfortunately, it is time to put away our scrap yarn and switch focus to our deep stash, old stash for the month of October. But the projects that were made this month were so much fun. These are fantastic projects and they deserve to be shared. So before I share your projects, I will share with you what I got done. So I did finish one of the donation granny square blankets. I got everything pieced together. Now these are the squares that were done this year. I still have not found last year's bag of granny squares. I did not get any of the other blankets done. It's okay. Project Christmas Blanket has taken over and it is what it is. Now, part of Project Christmas Blanket is this other blanket. So this is the Kaleidoscope Hexie, and that is where I am on that. So it is not done yet, but we are getting close. We are so close to starting to run low on the hexagons and things will need to happen. So anyway, I feel good about the progress that I made. I worked on so many other blankets and things like that, plus everything that just happened for the month of September. To be honest, I'm kind of glad the month is coming to an end because I don't know that I could take much more of how this month started. So, anywho, on to your projects. All right. So once again, you guys did a fantastic job. I love seeing all the projects that you come up with, the creativity, the way you're using things. I'm still, like I said in the mid-month check-in, just a little bit in love with the t-shirt, batwing projects. Anyway, I mean, that's just such a great way to like spruce up your wardrobe and use those little bits of yarn that we have. There's so many of them. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. I love you guys. Take care.